Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we processed the customer refunds both on the our webinary app and the Stripe as well. Okay, and we missed one thing there, and I did that intentionally. That how to create partial refunds on the Stripe. Okay, because in the last lecture, when we create refund on the Stripe, by default, if you do not mention the amount to be refunded into the Stripe refund API call, then Stripe will refund the entire charge that you pass as the charge Stripe charge ID. Okay. Now in this lecture, we will allow admin users to process the partial refund for the customers. Okay. And to do that, we what we need to do, we just need to mention the amount that need to be refunded, and if the amount is less than the total amount paid during the charge, then it will be considered as the partial refund on the Stripe. Okay, so let's open the refunds controller that we created into the admin namespace in the last lecture. Okay, so here you can see that at the line number 8, what I'm creating, that I'm calling the Stripe service create Stripe refund method. Okay, and here is the method. So for now we are just passing the Stripe charge ID. So when this API gets called, it will create refund for the entire amount that is paid during the charge. Now, what we need to do avoid this fully refund and to enable the partial refund, we just need to provide the amount that we want to refund here. Okay, so here what we can provide, that we need to provide this at the rate refund dot amount to be refunded as an amount. Okay, and this will be the amount that will be refunded partially. Okay, but before doing that, let's make another full refund. Okay, so let's just switch to the admin dashboard. Okay, and refresh the page. Okay, here you can see that I have two refund to be processed. One is for 5 tickets. Okay, and 2500 will be refund, and it is for 8 tickets, $4,000 will be refunded. Okay, but before that, let's come to the Stripe dashboard and let me open the payments page. Okay, so here you can see that let's come to the succeeded payment. Okay, so here you can see that I made two payments here, one for 6,000 rupees and one for 4,500 rupees. Okay, so it is the successful payment. Okay, now let's first refund the full refund. Okay, so when I click on the process refund, you can see that refund processed successfully, and now I can see only one refund to be processed at admin dashboard. Now just to verify that what happened with your refunds on the Stripe, so go to the dashboard again, and when you refresh your payments page on the dashboard, you can see here the amount has been that was showing the $4,500 here is in now the refunded tab. Okay, so if you click on that amount, that payment, okay, so you can see $4,500 is refunded completely. Okay, so this is the initial payment that we created on the charge, and this is the payment that we refunded. Okay, why? Because we did not mention amount in the ticket that has to be $2,500. Okay, so we did not mention amount during the refund API call. Okay, that's why it is completely refunded. Okay, now we need to mention the amount. So if we mention the amount for these 8 tickets, then the only $4,000 will be refunded, and $200 can be requested for further refund. Okay, so now let's do that here. So into the Stripe refund API call, what you need to do, that you need to just pass this amount. Okay, so just copy this refund dot amount to be processed. Okay, and pass this as the argument. Okay, and now come to the Stripe service class again, and here what you need to do, you need to accept an argument as amount. Okay, and here then you need to pass this amount to the Stripe refund API call. So let's pass amount, and then amount multiplied by 100. Okay, and save this. So now when you process the refund, you will see that it will process only 4,000 out of 6,000. Okay, so save this, and let's check into the refunds controller as well. Okay, so this is also saved. Now let's process the refund from the admin dashboard. So refresh the page again and click on the process refund. Okay, so when you process the refund, now you can see that this refund has been processed successfully, and now there are no active refund requests to be processed. Okay, and now when you click on the payments tab of the Stripe dashboard, Okay, you can see this payment is partial refunded. Okay, if you can see at the $6,000. Okay, so it is the older payment, sorry. So now let's see into the refunded, that it is the partial refunded. And now if you click on this payment link, you can see that $4,000 has been refunded, and this is the initial amount that has been paid, that is $6,000. Okay, and this is the amount that has been refunded, 4,000 USD. Okay, so this is how you can process partial refund on the Stripe. Okay, so let's update your code base with according to this lecture, and we will meet again into the next lecture with sending emails for that, for sending email to the customers that refund has been processed to both admin and customer. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and let's meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.